In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use NFL RedZone. Let's get started. NFL RedZone is not a free website. It's a premium channel available through select TV providers and streaming services. You can get NFL RedZone through cable or satellite providers like Xfinity, Spectrum or Dish. Streaming services like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, Live TV, Sling TV or Fubo TV, or the official NFL Plus premium subscription, which includes RedZone on mobile device. Once you pick a service, sign up and log in. Search for NFL RedZone in the channel lineup and make sure you have the right package. RedZone airs every Sunday during the regular season from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. ET. Just tune in and the host will jump between live games whenever a team is close to scoring. If you want highlights without waiting, RedZone is perfect. It skips commercials and only shows the best action. And that's how to use NFL RedZone. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.